Hello, here is your Montana Weather Hazards Briefing. For updates, please visit the National Weather Service webpage or contact any of the Montana National Weather Service offices. An unsettled pattern will keep the chance for measurable snow in the mountains through much of this week. However, the passage of a strong Arctic cold front on Sunday will continue the greatest impacts into the day on Friday. The main focus for widespread snow will be during the day on Monday, which may cause difficult travel due to slippery roads and reduced visibility. The bitter cold air behind the front will linger over much of eastern and central Montana through much of the work week, which could bring the coldest widespread temperature so far this season. Another disturbance may bring widespread light snow again on Thursday, but it appears to be a somewhat weaker system at this time. These are the expected snowfall amounts with the initial push of the cold front. Most areas will only receive light snow amounts through the day on Monday, but the mountains of northwest Montana could receive up to 1 foot of snow. Gusty northeast winds blowing from the Rocky Mountain front west through Glacier Park may also cause near whiteout conditions at times there through Monday. These are the watches, warnings, and advisories that are in effect for Montana as of Sunday evening. Most of these are in effect through the day on Monday. Gusty northerly winds may cause wind chills as low as minus 50 degrees Fahrenheit at times from Glacier National Park east out onto the adjacent plains. The area with a wind chill warning also has a winter weather advisory in effect for light accumulating snow. Widespread below zero temperatures Monday morning with breezy northerly winds will cause wind chills to fall to between 30 below and 45 below zero from the Rocky Mountain front east across north central Montana. The cold air and breezy winds will become more widespread into Tuesday, as some areas of southeast Montana could have wind chills of 25 degrees below zero at times. Winds will decrease somewhat into Wednesday, but air temperatures will continue to be quite cold. The coldest air temperatures this week will likely be Tuesday through Wednesday night, but the threat for snow will decrease. Highs will be in the single digits above zero and below zero east of the Rockies, and in the teens and 20s elsewhere. The coldest overnight temperatures will be in the single digits and teens below zero east of the Rockies, as lows elsewhere will be in the single digits and teens above zero. Temperatures will gradually warm across the state starting on Thursday, possibly approaching normal by next Sunday. Make sure you are ready for this Arctic blast of air if you have to spend any time outdoors. Dress in layers to prevent hypothermia and cover as much exposed skin as you can to help prevent frostbite. Here is your precipitation forecast for the next 7 days. The heaviest precipitation will stay over the mountains, with only light precipitation expected at lower elevations. There is a better than average chance for cooler than normal temperatures to continue into week 2, but there is less certainty regarding precipitation. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, contact any of the 4 Montana National Weather Service offices. We are always available. Have a great week.